How are you, air science? How old are you guys? Today I am going to read the today's reading about air science. Um, uh, Air science are going to be on a new season. Today is a greatest day, greatest turning point of our day. No one else can figure out these air science potential working as a team. If they work as a team, they had full potential. So marry a person who can match your frequency by seeing the things clearly. Do not be stupid by choosing the lower vibrational people with a full of jealousy, hate, or anger. Like they had full black holes and they will make you burn out. So don't settle less than that of a fulfilling relationship that match your vibration. So this is the time that there are a lot of suitors are competing for your attention. Appreciate the good time and energy and be grateful. And be committed to the people that is suited on your level, who make you a priority, and utilize all of your good energy. Nobody had the chain to destiny, and know your worth and potential. So it is very clear that this is a season of air sign. So you had to affirm a lot, like I am going to be victorious, I am going to be independent, I am going to be creative, I am going to be phenomenal, I am going to be powerful. I am going to be friendly. I am going to be versatile. No doubts that you guys are versatile with a good memory and you have a methodical approach to finding out who is loyal to you or not without doubts, and you are going to be successful, and you had the power to run things on your own way because you are so social, without boundaries, with or without boundaries. But with boundaries is good and attracts positive executive people and capable to create impact, like positive impact on so many lives of great men remains us. We can make our lives sublime, like inspirational. At times some careers are withdrawn and they take time for their own privacy in order to reflect. For a reflection, their sense are quick mind. They can handle or manage any low vibrations very easily with their own witty humor. Do not be a slave to emotions anymore, and don't be on darkness. Find your light. So many people, so many low vibrational people try to burn you with words or try to gossip around you. But guess what? Tower moment for all of the haters working against these air signs. They are falling off. All try their best to be on the back, trying to plan to plot you or hurt against you, to bury you alive emotionally. They are all losers. They don't know what is this fucking spiritual protection around you. Whoever said or gossip horrible things on your back, you know all the people who you are. You show that you know the true colors of the people. Nobody can mask before you. You are focusing on your own growth. And the people who are coming as cheaters, they will get their bad karma as soon as possible. Whoever manipulate you, whoever backstab you, whoever with a player energy, be mindful and know very well about your fucking spiritual protection. It is a season. It is a season that whoever coming to burn you, they will end up with burning themselves with their own bad karmas, for no doubt, because you are vibrating so high. You have high sides of spiritual insight. You share the truth and magnetism, and your voice is recognizing. Maybe your life path will be 3 or 4, whatever the case. Manifest what you want. Don't care about naysayers. This is the air sign seasons. You are on the full receive mode. Receive all the blessings and be grateful and increase the abundance on all levels. Setting all positive boundaries on life. You had high intuition. You see the people who they are. And they will try their best to sneak around or make dramas. They are full manipulators. They live on their manipulations and lies. They will face the tower moments as soon as possible. Who are planning or plotting every time, they had to face tower moments. Oh my god, they are losers. They are idiots. They are stupids. They are playing dirty games means they are going to get their bad karma. Oh my god. Because your guardian angel is not joking around. They are taking their action. So do not be fixated and holding grudges against any low vibration of people coming on your way. Tune into a high vibration, understand your powerful potential around you, and heal from all the traumatic events. Be inspired. You are an inspiration. If you are gone through the fire also, you come out as a renewed hope, like the coal going under pressure, going to come out as a shining diamond with a great beam of light. You are the hope. You are the reason to be. You are the reason to be a renewed hope. All the angels are sitting right beside and above and below with their own goddess and gods, and all are working on your battle. And you just tune up all of you, just heal your 7 chakras and see the difference. When you heal your 7 chakras, you understand, you can feel the rain, you can feel the heart chakra, you can feel your rainbows, you can feel the sun's happiness, phenomenal, powerful, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, brighter future. You are continuing to shine, you are continuing to be great, you are continuing to be rocking. Wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. The universe is protecting you with all angels. Thank you, guys.